Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Chrome extensions to the Yandex browser. Since Yandex is built on Chromium, it supports Chrome Web Store extensions. Let's see how to make it work. First, open the Yandex browser on your PC. At the top right, click the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the Extensions section, then click Manage Extensions. Now look for the option that says Allow extensions from other stores and make sure it's enabled. This is what lets Yandex use Chrome extensions. Once that's turned on, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store at chrome.google.com Web Store. In the search bar, type the name of the extension you want. Let's say Grammarly or Dark Reader. Click on the extension, then hit the Add to Chrome button. Even though it says Chrome, it works on Yandex too. You'll get a pop-up, click Add Extension, and it will install just like it would on Chrome. To manage your extensions later, go back to the Extensions section in Yandex's settings. And that's it! Now you can use Chrome extensions right inside Yandex Browser. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching.